guys, we're in Puerto Vallarta. Due to Tropical Storm Pam, we are now going to be staying overnight here. And we'll be leaving here at 12 noon tomorrow, and we'll arrive in Cabo San Lucas on Thursday. So right now it's Tuesday night. Pretty festive over there. You can hear that. They basically have this is a mall right where you get off the ship, and you go right through this giant building, and it's full of stores and stuff. There's a courtyard, and I believe that center portion you see there is where that music is coming from. There's a band there. It's pretty lively here. Quite a lot of stuff going on. We did the all-inclusive resort today. It was great. We had a great time. We just got back about 45 minutes ago. Took a shower. We're getting ready to go get dinner at Guy's Pig and Anchor. This is great. It's been just a fabulous cruise. We're having a great time, guys. And we will check in with you later.